My friends, what has beautiful chunks of succulent, juicy chicken in it and is perfect to satisfy any sort of craving at a wonderful party? What has loads and loads of rich, delicious cheese and is hot and spicy that can satisfy any craving at any sort of game day party or event? Oh my goodness, my friends, what comes out of the oven? Bubbly, hot, and delicious, with delicious melted cheese and spice filling the air. Whether you're looking for a dip for the big game day, a special party, a wonderful card game with friends, or just a night in at home watching the movies, well, this dip is for you. Hello my friends, this is Johnny Mac from the Sauce and Gravy channel. Get ready, we're going to do a delicious, spicy buffalo chicken dip. Buckle up, let's go. Let's begin with the chicken. So I'm using rotisserie chicken. It's a little bit easier. You don't have to cook it. It's already ready to go, but you can use really any chicken that you like. We're going to use 1 cup of chicken. If the chicken has skin, go ahead and remove the skin. You're going to want to chop it up. Rotisserie chicken is perfect for this. It's nice and tender. It's juicy. It's ready to go. However, you can really just use any chicken that you like. If you want to use canned chicken, that's fine. Just make sure that you drain it really well. If you're going to cook it up, just cook it up. Make sure you remove that skin if it has skin, and then just chop it up really nice and fine. And as you can see here, I'm starting to shred it. I'm going to shred it a little bit. I've got these forks. I'm kind of taking it all apart, making sure that it's not too chunky. You want all of these nice little pieces of chicken to be well incorporated throughout the entire dipping sauce. So go ahead, shred it up and get it ready to go. We're using about 1 cup here, or approximately 132 grams of chicken. Make sure, my friends, you get it chopped up nice and fine, really fine. And we're going to use a serving dish or a casserole dish that has about 1 quart capacity. So just make sure that you've got that ready to go. All right, next up to bat, we're going to add a little bit of creaminess to this dish. We're going to add some cream cheese, my friends. I'm using 8 ounces, or roughly about 226 grams of the cream cheese. You're going to want to make sure that it's at room temperature. You're going to put this into a casserole baking dish, so definitely make sure that it's bakeable. You're going to throw this into the oven. So you're going to put it into a casserole baking dish. You're going to want it to be room temperature because it'll be a little bit easier to go ahead and spread around. Sometimes it still sticks to that spatula. Have a spoon handy so you can scrape it off, but you're going to make a nice even layer of the cream cheese on the bottom of the casserole dish. So we're going to be piling up the layers of flavor. So this is the first layer, the wonderful creaminess, the cream cheese. And it goes, my friends. Check it out. Look at that deliciousness. All right, my friends. So we've taken care of layer number 1, that cream cheese. Now it's time to dive into layer number 2. Check it out. Look at that tenderness. Look at that juiciness. Oh yes, this is going to be absolutely delightful, my friends. Oh, the anticipation mounts to put this into my mouth. I just can't wait. This is perfect for any sort of party or festive occasion. Game day, get ready. Here we come. Alright, so layer number 2 complete. Now layer number 3, you have options. I'm going to use ranch dressing here. However, a lot of people do like blue cheese. You can just switch it out. You don't have to use ranch. You can use blue cheese, or why not use both? You can do whatever you like. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use ranch. So I'm going to throw in half of a cup of ranch, or 125 milliliters. Check it out. In it goes. And there are other options and ways to make this dish. If you wanted to go ahead and heat up a cooking dish or a baking tray, heat it up over the stove. Maybe if you're using a cast iron skillet or something of that nature, you could heat it up, throw a little butter in there, start to melt down the cream cheese and combine the chicken, add the ranch, throw all this together, get it all nice and melted. So that's another option. But this option that we're going with today, it's kind of like a lasagna baking option. It's a little bit easier, so we're throwing it all in together, making layers. Grab that spatula, go ahead and spread out that blue cheese or ranch dressing, whatever you're using. Make sure it's well incorporated into that chicken. Mix it up, get it all spread out. You want it in every little delicious bite. Okay, my friends, the 4th layer, the spicy buffalo wing sauce. You can use any sort of buffalo wing sauce that you like. You can use any sort of temperature that you want. You can go with the medium. You can go with the super hot. You can go with just the mild. You can use whatever you like. It's taster's choice. So if you like it hotter, go for that super extra spiciness. But We're going to throw in 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters. Check it out. Look at that. I can just feel the taste tingling in my mouth. It's tingling with excitement, with deliciousness. Oh, the flavors. Oh, this is just going to be wonderful. Just wait, my friends. Just wait. If you try this, you will definitely be delighted. If you're going with super spicy, why not throw a little bit of cayenne pepper or some sort of Tabasco type sauce on top of it? Go for it. If you'd like to do it, why not? Taster's choice. All right, we're almost done with this, my friend. The layers keep mounting. So this layer is for a little extra added bonus for our cholesterol. I'm throwing in some Colby Monterey Jack cheese. I'm using 2 cups or 452 grams of this deliciousness. Check it out, sprinkle it on, make sure that it's on every little piece of this wonderful, delicious buffalo chicken dipping sauce. Check it out, my friends, look at that. Oh, get ready. Alright, my friends, so now it's time to take this bad boy to the oven. If you're using a baking dish with a low side, definitely want to throw it on to some sort of tray. You don't want to get all that cheese all over the oven. That would be an absolute disaster. So we're putting it into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. We're going to go ahead and throw it on into the oven. We're going to bake this bad boy for 25 to 30 minutes. Check it out, my friends. Awesome. This buffalo chicken dipping sauce is just so simple to make. 5 steps, 5 easy steps. So 1, throw in the cream cheese. 2, put in the chicken. 3, put in your dressing. 4, put in the old buffalo hot sauce. 5, put on the cheese, throw it in the oven. And my friends, while that buffalo chicken dipping sauce bubbles away, the anticipation mounts. But get ready for that big game day, that wonderful night, that great event you're going to have, that big party. And once it's ready, take it out of the oven and get ready, my friends, for a taste explosion. Oh, my friends, check it out. The gooey deliciousness of that cheese, the spiciness. Look at that. You can see the hot sauce. It just bubbled over the side. Get ready for the creaminess, my friends. This is absolutely delight. It's deliciousness. This buffalo dip recipe is absolutely out of this world fantastic. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the buffalo chicken dipping sauce recipe. Please do leave your comments below. I always love to hear what you have to say. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the Sauce and Gravy channel, please do so. There are more sauces and gravies to come. And remember, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.